Is there a way to find out via SEO tools what my page is categorized as? There was some different content on the original site, so I am not sure exactly what niche Google sees it in. Yeah, I think Majestic does this, right?
Yeah,
We
they've
don't,
got a topical map
yeah, we don't really use
section.
Majestic. Are there any other
But
tools that allow to do this?
it is a nice, especially like the more we interview people and the more we get into the idea of like semantic mastery, the more I think that tool is actually pretty awesome in regards to using Majestic. It's not something that I've ever focused on before, but you can definitely dive into what you're asking for within Majestic. The rest of the tools, I don't know. Do you?
Sorry, say again. I was
I
just
yeah,
reading the question
I
again.
don't know any other tools that I've used that really have like content clusters and things like that
Something that like
that you can
tells you
really
your
like
niche.
move through. Like
Yeah.
they give it to you in this like kind of, it looks like a little galaxy of words, let's say, and you can kind of maneuver through that within Majestic. So, I mean,
I
Majestic
mean,
is a
I
pretty cheap tool too. If this is something that you really want to dive into, I'd say that's a great tool for you to opt in for.
but yeah, I just kind of the way I just kind of look at things manually, right? I just look at the link profile and I look at historical content, and then I mean, that's pretty much go from there. But yeah, not quite sure if there's anything other than Majestic, but they definitely do it.
Yeah, I guess
Um,
Majestic would be like an extension of that. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, what the permalink used to be, what backlinks are saying about it, and what does the content of those backlinks say about it.
yeah, and you can also look at like, their historical rankings. Like, what did they historically rank for? Um, so like in Ahrefs or whatever, you can go and you could check their organic keywords for a certain date and time or whatever. You can just set it way back on a date when they had a bunch of traffic or whatever, and just see what Google was allowing them to rank a lot for. And there's pretty much your answer. That's what Google thinks the site's about. Yeah, hopefully that helps. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.